Dumpster rental in Maryland. Are you tackling a home renovation, construction project, or yard cleanup? You know how quickly debris can pile up, and you need a reliable dumpster rental in Maryland to keep everything moving forward. At Mac Dumpsters, we offer a range of dumpster sizes to meet the needs of any project, whether you're cleaning out your garage, renovating your kitchen, or managing a construction site. We've got the perfect dumpster for every job. We understand that different projects generate different amounts of waste. Whether you're working on a small home renovation or overseeing a large construction site, we have dumpsters that can handle it all. Do you have a yard cleanup on your hands? Our dumpsters are perfect for landscaping debris, old furniture, and more. You can rest assured that we'll pick up your dumpster on time so you can continue your project without delay. At Mac Dumpsters, we're committed to providing you with reliable dumpster rental in Maryland. From home cleanouts to business renovations or large-scale construction projects, we're here to make waste removal simple and efficient. Ready to get started? Call us today at 410-205-5330 and let Mac Dumpsters help you make your next project a success.